Assalamualaikum everyone. It's me Noor Khan and welcome to my first ever podcast. I'm so excited to share this with you guys over here because honestly, I've been wanting to do something that makes my channel more meaningful for a long time now. And making this episode is really this is really coming to life after a lot of time. But before we step ahead into the video or into the contents of this first ever episode that I'm going to post of the candid conversation over here, I would like to pre-apologize if there are any faults, if there's anything that is not as good as you expected it to be, because this is my first ever podcast, and surely you'll understand that every first thing we do will have mistakes and does have room for improvisation. So yes, without any further ado, let's dive into our podcast. Struggles of a teenager. When I ask people to choose for a topic that I should talk about in my first video, I gave them two options. I said, should I talk about the struggles of a student or the struggles of a teenager? Everyone said struggles of a teenager. It was quite a gap between the poll that I did, the votes that I got. Around 72% of people voted for struggles of a teenager and then 32% voted for struggles of a student. And I kind of get why people wanted me to talk about the struggles of a teenager. Considering the people that follow me or the people that watch me, most of them are teenagers like myself. They'd want to hear something relatable as well. And I completely agree. The first struggle of being a teenager, if I were to quote or if I were to state, would be the fact that we do not find a lot of relatable people around us anymore. We do not find a lot of the same sort of energy anymore around us, and the biggest reason behind it, or the most important reason behind it being the fact that we are all not on the same par, because we've all been scattered as teenagers. If I were to talk about the teenager of today, or if I were to talk about my own life, I would say that I face struggles on a daily basis. And I'm sure it's not just me, it's every single one of you out there. We face struggles from the very first when the very first ray of sunshine falls upon our face. Sunshine क्या? जब आप बिस्तर में से निकलते हैं तभी से आप स्ट्रगल फेस करने शुरू कर देते हैं. द बिगेस्ट वन बीइंग स्लीप, राइट? मेरी तो नींद के साथ इतना मसला है. लाइक आई हैव सच बैड स्लीप schedule. I'll sleep all day long and then I'll not wake up till the night time, and then I'll stay up all night and I'll have no sense of direction, no routine, no nothing whatsoever. I think I'm not the only one who's going through this, right? I think we all have this in common कि हमारी नींद सबकी ऑलमोस्ट ख़राब है. रूटीन किसी की भी नहीं बन रही. रूटीन नहीं बन रही, सबसे बड़ा रोना होता है ये. एटलीस्ट फॉर पीपल अराउंड मी और फॉर मी माई सेल्फ, रूटीन नहीं बन रही सबसे बड़ा रोना है. बादल, फर्स्ट थिंग आई डू, आई वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग और मैं रोती हूँ कि मम्मा मेरी नींद नहीं पूरी हुई. फिर मेरी मम्मा मुझे कहती हैं कि क्या हालत बना के तुम स्कूल जाती हो. वरना थोड़ी सी तमीज़दार होलिये में जाता, तुम तो कोई डेड कॉर्प्स बन के जा रही होती हो. और मैं कहती हूँ मम्मा जाएं छोड़ें, आई डोंट रियली केयर, वट एवर, नेवर माइंड. व्हेन इन रियलिटी आई नो दैट शी इज़ राइट. जितना भी आप अपने स्कूल में इनफॉर्मल हो, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ आप इनफॉर्मल हो, अपने सराउंडिंग में आप कॉन्फिडेंट हो, और यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट और सेल्फ बिलीविंग द वे दैट यू आर, eventually it makes a huge difference about how you look, the way you look. And I don't focus on that at all. I don't really care about it. So yeah, खासतौर पे सुबह के टाइम पे तो I am this dead ass beat person जिसको you don't want to mess with. Barrel. Then the second struggle नींद के बाद is family. Obviously family का बहुत प्रेशर होता है. टीनेजर्स पे तो ख़ास तौर पे होता है, स्पेशली दोज इन देयर लेट टीन्स. लाइक मेरी एज में 16, 17, 18 वाली में, व्हेन दे आर फाइनली लाइक दे इन दोज पीरियड ऑफ लाइफ जिधर वो मैट्रिक, एफएससी, ए लेवल्स, ओ लेवल्स कर रहे हैं. यू गाइज नो द स्ट्रेस ऑफ बीइंग अ टीनेजर चाइल्ड इन योर फैमिली, बिकॉज बहुत सारी एक्सपेक्टेशंस, होप्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं यहाँ पे. the main ones being your parents and then the next one being your relatives. That sucks, I know, but होती हैं तो क्या किया जा सकता है, right? So parents are like another very huge struggle that a teenager has to face, in my opinion. Mainly though it is, not gonna lie. Although I have alhamdulillah very understanding and compassionate and compliant parents, but it still is a struggle for me because even my own thought process or even my own thinking cycle of how my parents would want me to look like or how my parents would want me to be perceived as and stuff like that, my own, that struggle of my own with my thinking is enough to make my parents a struggle for me. So yes, parents are another struggle of in the life of a teenager. I mean, no offense to parents out there who are watching this or who are listening to this, but honestly speaking, you guys are. You guys might not realize it, but you guys are. Parents की तरफ से सिर्फ ये struggle नहीं होता ना कि like the things that we perceive के our parents would think about us or would want us to be like. मेरे इसी तरह से एक और struggle ये होता है कि parents के अपने struggles जो होते हैं वो हम पे बहुत ज़्यादा भारी पड़ते हैं. Like as a matter of fact, मेरे parents, let's suppose क्या मेरे parents are not from a very wealthy background. They're from a middle class family, but they have been brought up in even worse conditions than I am. Like I'm from a middle class family, so but my mother and my father, both of them are from like even a lower class family they used to be from. So unke struggles, and then those struggles are absolutely overwhelming on you. Clearly they are, especially for kids like me जो जिनको बहुत होता है कि भाई मेरे माँ बाप का नाम रोशन करना है, या फिर kids who want to make their parents proud. I'm sure everyone wants to make their parents proud. तो हम पे वो चीज़ बहुत weigh करती है, और ख़ास तौर पे टीनेज लाइफ के दरमियान में, because I feel like ये वो point होता है जिधर we have to choose between a lot of things. Another struggle for teenagers is that we have to choose between a lot of stuff. Our careers, our education, where we want to apply, how we want to apply, how we want to go by life, and जिस point पे, like जिस time पे हमें सब कुछ choose करना होता है, at the very exact same time we're the most indecisive people ever. Like take me for example, I cannot choose what career field I want to opt for in my future, and I have like around 6 combination subjects right now in my A levels, whereas I'm supposed to have 3. But मैंने 6 रखे हुए हैं just because I want to keep my options open once I get out of A levels. And this is another struggle. पढ़ाई is another struggle because जो education का stress है, it is unmatched. It is unmatched. For people who are not worried about education, who are not concerned about education, maybe it's not that big of a struggle for you, but for personal people like me or someone who wants good grades या जिनको चाहिए scholarships, उनके लिए this is probably the biggest stress they have right now. At least आजकल में the biggest, because A levels has this all in a whirl. Okay. और फिर as I was saying कि सुबह उठी हूँ, मामा के साथ लड़ाई हो गई, फैमिली हो गया, सब हो गया, गुस्से में I reach school and then I meet my friends. Initially तो friends के साथ घुल मिल के बैठ के तो it is very friendly, you know, super friendly, and it completely boosts up my mood. तो हमारे लिए where everything else is a struggle, good friends are quite a benefit. That's, I think, that a pro that teenagers today have is that they are not like the people that used to be in this world before us. We do not fight for competition. Like a lot of us don't. Even if we do, just I have a group of friends. Like if I'm a straight A scorer, and then my friends are like I have a very very huge group of friends. So my friends, like I'll have friends in between me जो straight A's भी हैं, जो straight A's नहीं भी हैं, जो average भी हैं, जो average से कम भी हैं, फिर वो भी हैं जिनको अपनी पढ़ाई का कोई गर्ज नहीं है अपनी पढ़ाई से. तो that is something that I would say is a pro, but at the same time it's a very big struggle because मेरे जैसे बंदे के लिए, for me, I cannot bear the fact that someone is distant from me. You know, in very simple words, distant from me से मेरी मुराद है कि you know, if a friend gets distant. I don't know how to explain it, but like what I mean is this. Okay, what I mean is this. Let me give you my own example again. So after quarantine, I lost track from a lot of people. After the lockdown, I lost track with a lot of people. Okay, some of them were really close friends. So when I got back to school and I met those people again, it was quite you can say awkward, but at the same time it was quite hurtful as well, because I didn't want that to happen. Or even if you don't want that to happen, eventually that feeling does creep in. That feeling does creep in कि यार you do hurt, because you know कि you are distant with that one person you used to be so close to. That absolutely sucks, right? Oh, this coffee is good. So friendships where there's such a benefit for us, they're also very very non-beneficial. Another very huge, or you can say, struggle for me is कि peer pressure बहुत common है हमारे दरमियान में. For me, I keep on saying for me because this is I cannot talk about other people's lives. I can only talk about my own life, right? So you guys can only relate to it. So for someone like me, peer pressure does not affect me that much, because I am quite strong-willed myself. But I've seen, you can say I've observed peer pressure being a very common thing among teenagers. बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. वो negative peer pressure भी हो सकता है, वो positive peer pressure भी हो सकता है, but peer pressure is a very very common thing among us teenagers. Teenagers में तो बहुत ज़्यादा होती है, because as I told you guys, or as I mentioned earlier, कि ये वो age होती है जिसमें हमने choices करनी होती हैं, and at the same time हम indecisive भी होते हैं. तो where we are very mature, or we're supposed to be mature, we are also very immature at that same time. तो जहाँ पे हमने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टेकअप करनी है, हम वहीं पे केयरलेस भी बहुत ज़्यादा हैं इस एज गैप में या इस एज ग्रुप में. तो दिस हैपेंस अ लॉट कि you let peer pressure affect you, and then you ultimately jump into a negative or positive, whatever way the peer affects you, whirlwind. उसके बाद अब ये सब it's like the stuff that happens, ठीक है. एजुकेशन की हमने बात की, इट्स अ करिकुलर एक्टिविटी. फैमिली की हमने बात की, इट हैपेंस विद एवरीवन एंड डेली. फ्रेंड्स की हमने बात की. फ्रेंड्स अगेन रिलेशनशिप से मुझे याद आया, फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु डेट, और फॉर दोज ऑफ यू हु हैव एवर बीन इन रिलेशनशिप, और हु आर स्टिल इन रिलेशनशिप, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है. आई नो राइट, ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा मसला है कि यू आर डेटिंग और यू आर इन रिलेशनशिप और यू हैव अ पार्टनर. तो वो भी अगेन एक स्ट्रगल है कि यू हैव टू बी विद पीपल, और स्पेशली if there is someone you're interested in. Relationships से I don't just mean girlfriend boyfriend, I also mean suppose you have a crush on someone, you have feelings for someone, तो वो भी एक बहुत बड़ा स्ट्रगल हो जाता है. Because honestly speaking, मैं भी यहीं पे आने लगी थी. All of the stuff that I mentioned earlier, may it be पढ़ाई, may it be our sleep schedule, may it be our parents, may it be our family, may it be our friends, may it be our education, ये सारी चीज़ें eventually they affect us mentally and physically both. Because when something affects you mentally, it will affect you physically as well. Mental pressure जो होता है ना, शायद मेरे ख्याल से या मेरे एक्सपीरियंस से, it is the most or the biggest struggle of a teenager today. We teenagers in this era or in this age, we suffer from a lot of mental stress, mental problems. From mental problems, अब मैं वो वाले mental problems की बात नहीं कर रही जो हम लोगों को छेड़ते हैं, mental पागल वाली. No, what I mean is like real time mental health issues or mental health disorders, and we used to go through a lot of that stuff. आधे reasons मैं already state कर चुकी हूँ. With the other half of the reasons, apart from पढ़ाई, जो हम extra activities में indulged होते हैं, which again as I said, which is a necessity कि हम extra activities में indulge हों, because if you're just going to orient ourselves all to पढ़ाई and stuff like that, so we will be completely goner for good. No, for bad, gone for bad. I'm speaking from personal experience. I run a blog, I write novels, ebooks. I have to publish articles in a magazine, and at the same time I have to manage my AS. And I also have a YouTube channel that I'm running right now. Just keep in mind, time to time I come up with even more new ideas and stuff like that. Now, so things get really stuffy for me out here. Super stuffy, super difficult, super struggling, super striving for me. Because not only is there mental stress in me, I also have so much to cope up with that it eventually brings me down. I have to, at one point I have to halt everything and I have to go like, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up, no. You need to stop, you need to sit down, you need to put everything in one place and you need to focus your thoughts in one place, you need to concentrate. You need to decide कि यार क्या कर रही हो. You need to bring your life back in rhythm. Because एक point आता है जब I completely lose track of everything. एक तो I'm doing all of it at one time and then eventually एक time आएगा where I have to say कि no, shh, relax, calm down, stop. You need to stop. तो और इस सब के दरमियान में it is very very difficult for me to find time for myself. And when you don't find time for yourself, eventually there comes a time when you will feel deprived and you will feel desperate for peace. You will feel desperate for space and you will feel desperate for just a minute or just like a break. And trust me, we cannot have a break in this time. मतलब अपनी ये teenage age में तो कोई break नहीं मिलने वाला आपको. Trust me, no break at all. Ask from someone who is just a year away from... Nahin, I still have 2 years actually. But just ask from someone who is midway through her teens. So she knows that you won't get any break during this time. Instead, ये वो time होगा जिसे you have to run to catch up with things. Because that is how fast things will be going, and neither time will stop for you, neither will it halt for you, and nor will it slow down for you. So these are the struggles that I as a teenager go, and I'm so sure so many of us would go through as well. But then our struggles the only thing that we have to cope up with? Why don't we, or our struggle is the only thing that we have to, I completely messed it up. I was going to say that our struggle is the only thing that we have to count. Why don't we look at the better part of these struggles, you know? Why don't we look at the fact that there is light at the end of the tunnel anyways? These 8 years or more of struggling will eventually bring us to a point where we will be at relief, where we will reach adulthood and we'll be like, okay, it was not all in vain, it did not all go in vain. So don't give up hope if you don't find time to give yourself. Don't give up hope just because you don't get a break. Just be very optimistic of the fact that this all is going to pay off, surely. Slowly, but surely it will all pay off. So this was for this video about the struggles of being a teenager. I tried to cover it a lot. Most of it was from my own point of view because that is the only point of view I can give you to you guys. And if you relate to this in any way, then do hit me up and we'll talk about it. I would love to talk to you about it. But apart from that, I will be uploading the MP3 version of this on SoundCloud. The link will be in my description, and the video version will be here on my YouTube. If you like this podcast, if you like the way I talk, and if you can relate to me in any way, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos that I will surely post. And if you have any topics that you'd like me to comment on or talk about, then you can surely put them down in the comment box. Or if you're too shy to comment, you can just hit me up on my Instagram DMs and I will surely respond to you and take in your request as well. So yes, all the love in the world. I hope you guys enjoyed this podcast and you will keep on following me for more. Allah Hafiz.